Started.
Hello, my name is Manbeen Grover. I'm the founder of Wedded Bliss, a certified relationship and life coach. Today, let me welcome you to episode 2, which is a Diwali special for all of you. आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं दो ऐसे गेस्ट जो कि हमारे को बताएंगे टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग, न्यूमरोलॉजी, एस्ट्रो वास्तु के बारे में. So let's welcome our first guest, Mrs. Nidhi Khanna. Let's welcome Mrs. Nidhi Khanna. Nidhi Khanna is a numerology expert and a tarot card reader. So welcome Nidhi. Nidhi, आप पहले हमें tell us about yourself. Introduce yourself, please.
Hi, Manmeet. Yes, welcome. Very nice to meet everybody here, of course. And I myself is Nidhi Khanna, and I'm a certified tarot reader and a numerologist. My main motto in life is love yourself and believe in your own self, so that you can do wonders. And with magic and miracles, with life, you can do wonders. So this
That's
is my
very
motto.
true. That's very true. What led you to this profession of tarot card reading? क्या मन में आया कि you have to learn the tarot card reading?
I was totally surprised with my own thing, but yes, I always wanted to know more about the stars and planets in life.
Okay.
Yes, eventually I was with my husband's profession and wanted to learn more.
Okay.
I never knew that I will be learning this way and coming into profession like this, but it is beautiful. There's so much knowledge we can get to that. It's beautiful.
That's really lovely. That's really lovely. So, tarot card reading and your numerology, do you combine them together for your clients?
Yes, very much. Of course, they both are related. As I already said, कि planets इतने ज़्यादा beautiful हैं, इनके stars and planets connected, the zodiacs, they all are connected with numerology and even with the tarot reading. Yes, numerology, of course, we need a name and a date of birth, which is from that numbers we can get the knowledge from there. And tarot cards is like totally your intuitions. The card says their answer itself.
Okay, so
there is a pros, cons.
So tarot card reading is more towards the intuitiveness. That's what you are trying to say. That what the intuition tells you to tell, that's what you tell them.
Yes, yes. See, intuition, yes, but the card itself says their word. Okay. So of course, it's a reader. How the reader is taking those cards individually.
So
और वो कैसे connect करके आपके साथ बता रहा है.
मतलब जो आपको मैसेज मिल रहा है, आपका कार्ड जो निकलता है, आपको जो मैसेज मिलता है, उसका इंटरप्रिटेशन जो आप करते हो to your clients, that is what exactly is tarot card reading.
That's right.
Okay.
Sometimes people have their events happening. तो event के अंदर of course there are times कि हमारा घर कब तक बनेगा या हमारी प्रॉपर्टी हम कब तक खरीदेंगे. So there are times the card, of course, the card will come out and actually it's 100% correct card comes. So now the reader is depend how the intuitive is the reader and कितना वो clarity आपको दे रहा है.
All right. So what you're trying to say is here कि आपको time limits जो होती हैं, you get to know about the time limits also through your tarot cards, right? The cards can actually depict the time limit of a particular thing also. So जैसे
around one and a half hours.
Sorry, you go on.
1 से 1.5 साल के बीच के आप 1 से 1.5 साल के बीच के अंदर आपका आंसर निकल जाता है.
जैसे काफी बार ये होता है कि पेरेंट्स दे आर रियली लुकिंग फॉर दिस थिंग कि हमारे बच्चों की शादी कब होगी, ये वो क्वेश्चंस लाइक दिस इज दे आर वेरी कॉमन क्वेश्चंस फॉर पेरेंट्स, सो यू कैन गेट टू नो अबाउट द आंसर्स फ्रॉम दैट आल्सो.
बिल्कुल. तो उससे हम एक तो हम न्यूमरोलॉजी से भी निकाल सकते हैं एंड आप उससे टैरो कार्ड से भी निकाल सकते हैं.
तो दोनों का कंबाइंड कनेक्शन जो होता है वो और भी बेटर होता है, राइट?
बिल्कुल. और उसके अलावा अगर हमारे को लगता है कि ये समय डिले हो रहा है तो देन वी कैन हैव द रेमेडी एज वेल.
सो ओके, द रेमेडी पार्ट एज यू आर सेइंग, तो रेमेडी पार्ट जो होता है वो आप न्यूमरोलॉजी के थ्रू देते हो और डू यू गिव इट थ्रू टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग ओनली?
Both ways. Again, both ways. न्यूमरोलॉजी ऑल्सो देयर इज अ रेमेडी. आप उसके अंदर से क्या क्या आप दे सकते हो एज अ क्लाइंट क्यों कि आपका ये वाला अगर ग्रह है या आपका स्टार वीक है तो वो आपको क्या बेनिफिट दे सकता है या आपको इस चीज को अवॉइड करना चाहिए. जनरली कुछ लोग होते हैं, अगर हम फॉर एग्जांपल कि एक सैटरडे को अगर हम नॉनवेज और ड्रिंक्स छोड़ दें, कहीं किसी का शनि भारी होता है, so it helps guiding them. And same with tarot card. So tarot card also gives a guidance. There is an outcome in that. So it conveys the message.
Okay. Okay.
Universe is telling you, take care. Where to take care? He will tell you whether it's jealousy, whether with your finances. So the guidance is there in the tarot card also.
Okay. So any of your particular, remedy which has helped somebody really big time, could you give us any of the example? कुछ ना कुछ तो होता है because किसी ना किसी की life को कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ऐसे touch किया हो. So can you tell us about that?
Most important, if I feel, everybody feels a negative thought in themselves.
Yeah.
कि हर एक की कमी तो जरूर है, अच्छाई भी है, पर नेगेटिव थॉट हम ना चाहते हुए भी आ जाते हैं. फिर हम कहते हैं हम पॉजिटिव बनना चाहते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, दैट्स वेरी ट्रू.
तो उसकी एक रेमेडी, आई ओनली से पीपल कि आप सी सॉल्ट से शावर लीजिए.
नेगेटिविटी
एंड यस, so that the negativity is finished, like thought process are changed. And of course I said my motto is love yourself. Yes. And believe in yourself. So if you keep on saying these phrases in your life, yeah, तो वो आपकी नेगेटिविटी आपको दूर करेगी. तो ऑटोमेटिकली यूनिवर्स आपको कहेगा कि yes, this is a loving soul, let the love be around.
Yeah, that's really really beautiful to know about that. Acha, tell me one thing. I have heard a lot that through numerology, when you have to make the changes, like you have to change your name and all that, so probably you have to go through all your documents, which is a very long process. You have to really go a long way to change everything. Is it like that only, or long time back I had read that Akshay Kumar, when he was not doing good, he had added an A in his name, but that was for a limited time period. So is it necessary that you need to change it for a longer time, या फिर कुछ समय के लिए अगर आपने अपने नाम में कुछ एक चेंज कर लिया तो वो भी आपके लिए वर्क करता है? How is it like?
बिल्कुल ये चीजें हैं आज की डेट में. ऑफ कोर्स विद द एज फैक्टर, इफ आई सी, अगर आपकी एज ज्यादा है तो आप नाम चेंज करना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाएगा. आपके डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह हैं जो बिल्कुल आपको कहेंगे कि नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकता, यहाँ से चेंज, पासपोर्ट चेंज, आधार कार्ड, इट्स नॉट इजी. सो बट द नाउ थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया,
ओके,
friends, everybody say about your name. So that name automatically universe आपका कॉल लेता है. For example, Manbeen Group. Manbeen is your name, Grover. हर एक को पता है कि ये नाम सोशल मीडिया से मोर पॉपुलर है. चाहे डॉक्यूमेंट में whatever you are writing, that's a separate thing. So very easy to change the name over there.
Okay, so probably this is what
I give a guidance is that to the people.
I'm sorry.
I give a guidance to this. I give a guidance to this to everybody that कि अगर आपको नाम चेंज करने में प्रॉब्लम है, the most important thing is we change it to Instagram or Facebook.
Okay.
So the message to the universe is already gone. Okay. Your friends will know that this name exists on Facebook.
Okay. You know what?
Or else also, there is still a remedy.
Yes. What is that remedy? I want to hear about that.
It depends that you have to write your name accordingly for 43 days to the universe. Tell your God, prayer to the God that I am fine and happy in the name what I have.
Okay. और किसी पर्टिकुलर पेन कलर के पेन से लिखना होता है, कुछ ऐसा भी होता है?
Yeah, that's correct. That's a red color pen.
Okay.
And with the red color, and you write down for every 43 days, and there will be a change.
There will be a change. That's really really very beautiful to know. Like the way you have explained it, the concepts are probably more clear now, because लोग name change से ना डरते हैं,
डर जाते हैं कि हमें नाम बदलना पड़ेगा.
Exactly, इतना documentation बदलना पड़ेगा, इतना कुछ बदलना पड़ेगा. So उस बदलने के डर से it is like
See, for women, of course, when they get married, now they change their name to another surname that is there. Now they don't want to change also. So if
yeah,
they
yes,
want
they
the
don't want to
numerology,
change, they want to retain
yes,
their
they don't want. तो अगर
yeah,
लगता है उस ग्राफ के अंदर, उस ग्रिड के अंदर, न्यूमरोलॉजी के अंदर कि नाम आपका पहला मैटरनल विल बी बेटर, और जो आने वाला नाम है वो दैट द यूनिवर्स विल बी मेकिंग यू मोर हैप्पी, so we can give that guidance to them.
yeah, that's very true, that's so now let me ask you this last question, like इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के टाइम में दिस ईयर इज बीन अ बिगेस्ट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉर एवरीबॉडी, आई मस्ट से. सो इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के टाइम में हाउ वाज इट फॉर यू? How did you do, I mean, how did you manage to do your work and you know all that, because सब कुछ you know it's for this year that हम बहुत ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी की तरफ जा रहे हैं और हम उस पर डिपेंडेंट हो रहे हैं. So how did that help you?
See what this year, of course, for everybody, the lockdown has made everybody understood one thing, that you need to be very patient in life.
Yes,
there can be a lot of twists and turns in life, and of course we have learned the investment of relationship in this lockdown, कि हमारे को आगे किस किस चीज की प्रायोरिटीज हैं और किस चीज की हमारे को जरूरत है. So of course this lockdown, yes, wanted to know more to go ahead कि कैसे हमारे लाइफ के लाइफस्टाइल, हमारी हेल्थ, हमारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी कैन बी चेंज आगे फ्यूचर के अंदर. पीपल वर स्केयर्ड,
because बहुत ज्यादा
the only factor,
बिकॉज इस बारी बहुत ज्यादा इनसिक्योरिटी का लेवल जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा हाई हो गया था सब में, बहुत ज्यादा हाई हो गया था इनसिक्योरिटी.
लोगों के ग्राफ्स इतने चेंज हुए, इतने अप एंड डाउन हुए हैं कि दे हैव लर्नड इन दिस वे कि हमारे फाइनेंस तो ऑफ कोर्स इम्पोर्टेंट है, हमारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी, अबंडेंस इज इम्पोर्टेंट, बट यस आवर रिलेशनशिप्स आर आल्सो वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट.
दैट्स वेरी ट्रू. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. और जाते जाते निधि, कैन यू प्लीज गिव एनी टिप्स फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स फॉर दिस दिवाली?
यस, ऑफ कोर्स. वेल, द टिप आई वुड लाइक टू गिव दैट आप जब पूजा करें अपनी गणेश जी, लक्ष्मी जी के लिए दिवाली के दिन पे, there are 5 very important elements in our life. That is air, water, fire, akash, and earth. So that means flower.
Okay.
Fire means diya.
Okay.
And aapka air, that is dhoop, agarbatti.
Okay, can you repeat it again? Let me also repeat it with you. First is, say it again, Nidhi. Air. So
that's air. Air means धूप और अगरबत्ती. ठीक
है. और अर्थ,
फायर इज दिया.
अच्छा, फायर इज
दिया.
अच्छा,
या अर्थ इज आपकी प्रसाद, लड्डू, these things.
ठीक है.
आकाश फ्लावर्स.
Akash flowers. Oh, this is so beautiful, so very beautiful.
Yes, on Diwali day, keep all these things around your deities. And उन्हीं के साथ आप पूजा करिए, गणेश लक्ष्मी के साथ. And of course, one more thing, जैसे मैंने कहा नेगेटिविटी हम लोगों के अंदर जो हमारे लॉकडाउन में आई है, उसमें कहूंगी सी सॉल्ट मंगवा के अपने घर के अंदर उसी से पोछा लगाइए, उसी से शावर लीजिए. That's gonna really benefit a lot of people.
Okay. That's really, really beautiful. Well, thank you so much for your beautiful knowledge and, you know, clearing so many myths about tarot card reading and numerology. I'm sure कि अब काफी लोगों को समझ में आ गया होगा कि this is something very natural. It's like the stars actually come and talk to you. This is what it is exactly like. And I mean, you should invite that in your life. इससे अगर आपकी लाइफ में अच्छा change आ सकता है तो why not? So
why not benefit people?
Yes, and to my viewers, I would like to tell them, if you have any kind of problems in your relationship or anything relating to that, you can always contact Nidhi. We are going to share her details after this interview. So please, everybody is most welcome to come and contact Nidhi. And thank you so much, Nidhi, for joining us today. Thank you so much. It was
Thank you,
really
Mandy.
lovely
Thank you
having you
so
here.
much. Really great honor. I'm honored.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. So now let's invite Mrs. Anjali Tandon, who is an astro and vastu expert. And अब हम उनसे सीखेंगे कि एस्ट्रोलॉजी और वास्तु के साथ हम इस दिवाली में क्या क्या बेनिफिट्स ले सकते हैं और क्या क्या हम सीख सकते हैं. So let's just wait for Mrs. Anjali. So now let's welcome Mrs. Anjali Tandon. अंजलि एक वास्तु और एस्ट्रो एक्सपर्ट हैं और आज अंजलि हमें बताएंगी कि दिस दिवाली how her astrology and vastu is going to help us. Okay, so let's start with the introduction. Anjali, please अपने बारे में और बताओ and ये भी बताओ कि कैसे you opted to learn about astrology and about vastu. So all to you, Anjali.
Hello, everyone. I'm Sarthi Anjali Tandon, and I'm delighted to be here, Manveen. It's a wonderful thing that you've started.
Thank you so
Really
much.
Great that I am a part of this.
Thank you.
And you want to know how I entered into this field?
Yes.
See, occult ke hisab se meri journey, like, when I was in college, like everybody is like into Linda Goodman and sun signs, and telling your friends that, oh, you are a Gemini, you're a Cancerian. I used to love doing that. But then, with the kids and family and all that got lost somewhere along the way. But as you move in life, you come across some problems and some issues. So you start, and your kids grow up. So you need to discover yourself. So there came a time like that in my life too.
Okay.
I went into Reiki, into Theta healing. And then there was an issue. So my friend suggested some Vastu remedies.
Okay.
Shift this thing here, place something here and the gas stove. And it worked. Okay. So my curiosity was, arose. How does it work? Mm-hmm. So then I decided to, join in myself and learn for myself for this. Mm-hmm. And I was really glad and really blessed to have connected with my mentor, Sarthi Sahilji. And, he has taught us really well. And when I learned how to, balance the space around me. Mm-hmm. See, first, I'll just tell you what exactly Vastu is, because most people like me. But initially, when I started, even I had this doubt, what is Vastu? You hear Vastu consultants. Mm-hmm. Vastu basically is Vastu, jahan tu vas karta hai, means the space around you, where you live.
Oh, okay, that's beautiful.
So Vastu by definition is the science of the environment you are in.
Oh.
We don't realize it. The space around us, it's a living space, mm-hmm. right? And our subconscious connects with it at any given time, especially when you sleep at night.
Yes.
So our space around us is affecting our subconscious. So what we do is, we are smart, we reverse the process.
Okay.
We change the space around us and we change our subconscious. देखो, बचपन से प्रोग्रामिंग तो सबकी होती है ना, बचपन से पता ये सही है, ये गलत है, ये करना है, ये नहीं करना. So we are being conditioned since birth. So up we use that technology, that same science. See, Vastu is a science of mirroring. जो दिखता है उसको reflect करेगा.
Oh,
so what we do
so
is
beautiful.
We arrange our surroundings.
Frankly speaking, मुझे कुछ और ही लगता था when it used to come to वास्तु. ऐसा लगता था कि बस वो होता है कि वास्तु के हिसाब से इसलिए होता है क्योंकि चीजों को इधर से उधर हिलाना होता है. That is what is called वास्तु. वो north east direction होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. Mera concept, I'm sure you're going to tell us more about this, but this what you are saying is really very, very interesting. The way you are explaining it is really very interesting. एक layman को वास्तु को अच्छी तरह से समझाना is a very beautiful concept. What you are saying, it's really
what
lovely.
You're talking about. Yeah, thank you. But you should know, because I'm very passionate about this. When I start, I find it difficult to stop because I love to tell people what I discovered. I would love others to learn.
This particular series is basically turning your passion into your profession.
Absolutely.
So go ahead.
And that's what I did. Right. So when I joined the course and I learned, it was Mission Sarthi, and the tag of Sarthi, now that has become our way of life. because we try to help others.
Yes.
Right. Now, Vastu, like I was explaining what Vastu is, like you said, we're northeast and southeast, right? So what we do is we divide the space in your house, the living space, into 16 directions,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
And the 5 elements. You know, all of us know there's this fire, earth, air, water,
Yes.
space. 5 जो आपकी वो elements है वो तो सबको पता है. And we need to balance it out to have a comfortable life. See, Vastu is not essential. I would not say that Vastu nahi hai to you won't survive, but it makes your life much simpler.
Okay.
देखो बारिश तो होती है, right? छतरी लेके जाते हो ना, because you want to protect
Yes.
yourself. So events will happen, life will have ups and downs, obstacles. Using these occult techniques like astrology and Vastu, you can, improve your life and get out of situations with ease. That is what the study is about.
Okay.
Right?
This is
Programming your subconscious so that you get the best of your surroundings. और जहाँ पे आप बात करते हो तो चीजें यहाँ से वहाँ हाँ करते हैं. That is what we do. We shift things from here to there, but there's a logic behind it.
Yeah.
If you're keeping a particular thing somewhere,
there is a logic behind it, but वैसे भी अगर आप देखो तो in general life also हम अपने आप को भी तो shift करने की कोशिश करते हैं ना, for betterment. So this is what it is, for your betterment. If you move certain things from here to there, and if they are giving you good results, then why not learn that technique to improve yourself?
learn the technique. Yes, learn the technique, help yourself and help others also with that.
Yes.
And believe me, when I joined this Vastu, when I started doing it, my life turned totally around. I learned how to understand the energy of the things, the things that surround us, they talk to you.
Okay.
आप कभी नोट करके देखो, कभी you buy something from the market and you're very happy about it, but you bring it home and you feel नहीं यार मजा नहीं आया, somewhere वो subconscious पे लगता है कि मजा नहीं आया. What is that मजा नहीं आया? The energy of that object is not gelling with that energy or of that house.
Yeah,
right? This is what you have to understand.
Very true.
Sometimes some guest comes in your house and you feel so drained out. अच्छा नहीं लगता ना उसको जाने आने के बाद.
Yeah.
Energies.
So
यही चीज है, यही चीज है जो हम वास्तु की 16 दिशाएं और 45 देवता एनर्जी फील्ड्स को बात करते हैं.
Okay.
So there's a very nice story.
How do you? Sorry. I'm sorry. I
go ahead.
I was just ask you that how do you combine your astrology and Vastu together? Because I think now, as you have explained it to us, that Vastu is like where your surroundings and all that are. Okay, and how different is Vastu from astrology?
See, Vastu and astrology are interrelated. All occult sciences are interconnected somewhere, because ultimately you're talking about energy, you're talking about devtas, you're talking about the planets.
Okay.
I will just give a brief intro about Vastu and then I'll link it up to astrology so that it makes it easier.
Sure.
See, when we divide the house space, 16 divisions, all the divisions, they have one particular planet which is governing that space.
Okay.
So that division has the attributes of that particular planet.
Okay.
Suppose east, when we talk of east, we are talking about the sun.
Okay.
So that direction will have the attributes to get the best out of that direction for social connections, and what that planet is related to, you can enhance your east direction.
Okay.
So when I'm using Vastu, I am actually using the planets for my best.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
This is where astrology and Vastu gets interconnected. Now, there's another point that I don't know how many people understand this. Vastu initially is about the space, like designing your space, your environment, so that you get the best of the things, balancing all the 5 elements, because there are 5 divisions, 5 zones for the elements, right? But when we talk about individual problems, like suppose you particularly have a problem maybe with a career, or somebody has with husband-wife relations, or you want to enhance your life, right? N number of problems or N number of issues that you can come up with. So in that case, we combine astrology and Vastu and come up with Astrovastu.
Okay.
In that case, we will use your birth chart, like with the horoscope, and combine it, and then there's a process for this, and then we can judge. Sitting in my home, I can judge and tell you right there that in this direction of your house, you have these particular type of objects which are hampering your progress. That is Astrovastu.
Oh wow!
Yes.
Wow!
It's actually, it gives amazing.
Yeah, this is actually so nice, so beautiful. Like sitting at your house, you can tell the other person ke, isko hata do ya isko yahan move kar do, so you will have the betterment in your house. This is so
And you won't believe, yes, you won't believe that it actually works, because sometimes you don't need to work. We can just tell you from this when you have your details, and we tell them that आपके इस direction, suppose somebody has this thing, आपके यहाँ पे ना जंग लगा हुआ सामान पड़ा है लोहे का, हटा लो. And the expression on the faces is amazing. When they say, yes, it is there. Because I have had the similar expression when it was tried on me the first time. So
okay.
I know that amazing thing. Yeah, it is wonderful.
I was
That is
just
how.
about to ask you that let us know कि आपने किसी की ऐसे कुछ कुछ किसी को कहा हो या किसी की कोई ऐसी रेमेडी दी हो जो कि किसी को इफेक्ट किया हो. So you're telling about your own self only. I mean, nothing can be more wonderful than that. It is so nice to
Yeah.
hear.
This is how your belief starts. That's how your belief starts. When I said that I had this issue, and my mentor, and he said that in this direction you have Ketu ka saman pada jati, hata le wahan se. And I was like, no way. There's nothing there. I know my house is not there. He said, go and study. You go and check it out. And I did. Now, when I do it on my, she had said that now start distances with my friends and with the relations. And because I had seen it now, so I said, in this direction, in the east direction, you have put something red. And instantly it clicked to her. She said, yeah, I moved the furniture and put those red bar chairs in that direction.
Yeah.
It was just that simple.
Yeah.
She removed it there and the situation is eased.
That's really
Right?
really nice.
This is
Okay, now tell me one thing, like jo bhi the changes, like we get the clients like unko relationship mein, because I'm a relationship coach, so people have more problems in their relationships. So is it that you need to make those changes permanently in your house, or it can be temporary also for a little while ke chalo jab tak turbulence hai tab tak ye change kar lo, uske baad you can get back to it. Is should our clients do like this, or it should be like permanently? How it should be
see,
like?
there's no such thing as permanent life. Automatically होता क्या लाइफ के अंदर, you're governed by the planets. जैसे ना आप दशा होती है, महादशा and अंतर्दशा type of thing. So automatically, by default, without you realizing it, you are governed by the planets and their attributes.
Okay.
Right? So how does it happen? See, वही घर में रह रहे हो, the same things as exactly where they were. Suddenly something starts, something is wrong somewhere, and you have not changed anything. What happened was that the one particular planet started acting up. So the things related to that are going to start giving you problem in your life. Now, once we identify that अच्छे खासा relation चल रहा है, suddenly you start having issues and small or no type of a thing which escalate into something else, and your things come
what
to
actually
head
happens,
over
like,
that.
yeah.
Yeah. So with the temporary time, for the duration that the planet has become active, it is creating some problem. So we give the remedy for that particular time, for that particular zone where we feel the problem is there. Maybe if it's about family, it is in the southwest direction. No, there are different directions that we attribute to the different planets. So after that, if it is working, nobody wants to change it back to the square one, right? And as time goes by, things settle down, planets move on to their own next step, and that issue becomes obsolete. वो चीज का इफेक्ट खत्म हो जाता है, जरूरत ही नहीं
खत्म
रहती.
हो जाता है. It's like an energy ना, एनर्जी का फ्लो है, तो वो फ्लो एक टाइम तक रहता है, उसके बाद वो फ्लो धीरे धीरे खत्म होने लगता है.
एग्जैक्टली वो वाइब्रेशन जो है जब तक इफेक्टिव रहेंगी तब तक वो इशू देंगी, उसके बाद वो सेटल हो गया तो वो इशू खत्म हो जाएगा, बिकॉज लाइफ गोज ऑन एंड इश्यूज कीप ऑन चेंजिंग. कभी बच्चे हैं, कभी फैमिली है, कभी करियर है.
बिल्कुल.
दैट्स हाउ थिंग्स.
Acha, tell me one more thing. Like, right now, this year has been a year of transformation. A lot has happened in this year. और हम बहुत ज़्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी के ऊपर भी डिपेंडेंट हो गए हैं. So, how was this year for you? Like, अब तो खत्म भी होने वाला है, but still, how was this year for you?
In terms of profession, you're talking professionally, you're asking me?
I would say it in terms of profession also, and your personal life also. How was this year like for you?
See, personally, honestly, I utilize this time of lockdown for my enhancement, because study never goes waste. And when you get into something like I got into Vastu, and then I went into Astro Vastu, then Neuro Vastu, and then astrology, there are layers. You can just endlessly you can go into it. You can have, plus
Like,
see, when the problems
even
are there, people
I
need to do.
truly believe in this, learning is something, there is no age to it. You can learn even at the age of 90 or at the age of 9. So there is no age to your learning. I also believe in this strategy of learning. That's really
and
nice.
just, and just
Something so
follow
common
your
about
passion,
both of us.
Yes, yes, definitely.
Yeah.
That is how we connect. We're talking about energy. We are connecting. That means something was there, in the past lives also. If you talk on those spiritual levels also, that is how you connect with people.
Yeah.
So my logic and my time duration during this lockdown and this process is, I've kept myself totally busy. See, people have issues, so they seek solutions. Samasya se samadhan tak. That is how we think about things. We don't scare people
True.
कि आपके घर में ये है और आपके planet ये कर रहा है. Why give them solutions? They already have enough on their minds. So give
Yes.
them solutions, give them the easy way out, so that the situation eases out, people are happy, and spreading the happiness is, what makes you feel happy.
Yeah.
So I've been busy with my clients.
I believe in this motto कि जरूरी नहीं है कि दुनिया बदलनी है, एक को भी बदल देंगे तो धीरे धीरे करके the change will
Exactly.
start happening if you start changing even a one person. Even
Yes,
if
you do. When you're creating that energy of happiness and peace in somebody's mind, you are getting that. See, like I said, Vastu, if I believe in Vastu, I'm talking about mirroring. If I'm spreading happiness, I'm going to get it. The hands that give out roses will smell nice automatically. I'm going to give happiness, I'm going to get happiness on my own.
Yeah,
Right?
that's very
So that is how we work on these levels. And जैसे कहते हैं ना, देखो, I'll just give one tagline that we say. There's a saying that says aham brahmasmi, मैं ब्रह्मा हूँ, and Brahma is the creator. So you yourself are the creator of your destiny.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
very
you are.
true. That's very true.
You can start from your home. You don't need to go out and make a major change in the world. बाहर हिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. अपने घर में पहले एक
अंदर का
peace create
change.
अंदर कर लो. अपने आसपास सराउंडिंग्स को साफ कर लो, क्लियर कर लो, एंड वो हैप्पीनेस अपने आप स्प्रेड होगा.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Follow your passion, make it a profession like I did, and I'm enjoying every minute of it. It doesn't feel like work. It just feels like enjoyment, fitting the pieces of puzzles together, how planets are working, what they're doing. So it feels good.
That's very true. Okay, so जाते जाते अब I would really like to hear from you. कुछ एक ऐसी टिप जो इस दिवाली के लिए हम अपने व्यूअर्स को दे सकते हैं?
Oh, I'll share more than one tip. ऐसी कोई problem नहीं है. There are lots of tips and lots of things that people can do, so I'll share more than one. Okay, the first thing that I always insist on and I always suggest to people is declutter your house. अपने घर से ना कबाड़ निकालो. We people have a tendency, ये भी रख लो कभी काम आएगा, रख लो कभी काम आएगा.
But
You are
दिवाली
creating
का
a
तो
very
फेस्टिवल होता ही decluttering का फेस्टिवल है हमारे हिंदुस्तान में. This is like सफाई
but
हमें.
still people do it.
Yeah, mostly people do the decluttering during the time of Diwali. Yeah.
There's a logic behind it. You know why? Because energies get stuck. So when you are, वो दिवाली की spring cleaning होती है ना, कोनों में जो आप वो जो झाड़ू लगा रहे हैं, and cleaning things, वो पीछे जो रखा सामान निकल रहा है, you are shifting the energy of the house and you're making space for the future energy. That is the logic behind it.
Okay.
वो हमारे ancestors थे, उन्होंने बहुत ये सब करा था, तो एक reason होता था, जो होता था at least once a year you were activating all the energy zones.
Yeah.
Right. So that is the very first thing that you need to do if you want to have a happy, blessed house. Okay. Second thing is what you can do is Ishan Point, that is the northeast direction. I'll tell you the northeast. I mean, you know where the sun rises, right? Keep it on your right and bilkul facing aapka north hai. So in between that, right? That is the east direction.
Okay.
Is Diwali, in fact, from Choti Diwali Dhanteras se, every day keep a fresh lotus flower, kamal ka phool, पानी के अंदर, maybe in a glass bowl.
किसी भी bowl में, it should be like glass bowl.
No, not necessarily, but it looks pretty in a glass bowl. Okay. And if you keep it in the northeast, that yes, you can keep that lotus ka flower every day. It is going to invite those beautiful energies of Mahalakshmi. Okay. Because that lotus flower is Mahalakshmi's favorite, and northeast is the head of the Vastu Purush. So when you're associating Mahalakshmi with this, so it gives a very very calming effect, and it's very I would say it gives ideas. I have seen it happen. I've seen it work magic. Okay. Right? So that is the second tip that you can try, right? And the third you can say this time. See, हम लोग कहते हैं ना, हमको धन चाहिए. दिवाली पे पूजा करते हैं माँ लक्ष्मी की, गणेश जी की, कि धन चाहिए माँ प्लीज. But धन, सिर्फ is not just monetary things. Your knowledge, gyan, vidya, that is also a big wealth that you can store,
Yeah.
and that is going to create more wealth for you, especially for the
Okay.
children. So this Diwali, I would just suggest that माँ लक्ष्मी के साथ, गणेश जी के साथ, माँ सरस्वती की पूजा भी जरूर करें. Keep an idol there. Keep it in your temple. Your children are going to catch that energy. You know, माँ सरस्वती को जब पूजते हैं तो वो आपको कहीं ना कहीं वो एसोसिएट करती हैं कि विद्या और ज्ञान बहुत जरूरी है लाइफ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
You need her blessings also, right?
Yeah.
And the most important thing, which you people, everybody can try for Dhanteras. Dhanteras के दिन take a silver bowl, चांदी का कोई भी कटोरा या कटोरी, depending on what you have available. You can buy it also. I mean, that is totally up to you. Fill it with rice, चावल, कच्चे चावल से उसको भरिए और उसको अपनी ईस्ट डायरेक्शन, ईस्ट इज जहां से सूर्य उदय होता है,
Okay.
सनराइज जहां से करता है, दैट्स ईस्ट डायरेक्शन. वहां पे आप उसको रखिए धनतेरस पे, राइट, एंड लीव इट देयर. जब दिवाली का पूजन करेंगे जिस दिन, तो वो चावल आप वहां पे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और बच जाते हैं, जैसे इफ यू हैव मोर ऑफ इट, आप उसको कुक करके खा भी सकते हैं उसके
खा
बाद.
सकते हैं.
So try this tip for Diwali.
Oh wow, this is
हाँ, cook करके, obviously you can cook it after Diwali, you know, use it for the puja, a little bit from there, and then you can cook it and have it, because that is going to bring you prosperity.
yeah, energies.
This
You're
is what
absorbing
everybody
the
wants, peace
good
and prosperity.
energies in you. Yeah. This is really
Yes,
wonderful.
yes.
Really wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing such beautiful tips with us.
So,
I'm really glad that you
thank
could
you
come
for
and
having me
give us.
here, and thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. And to my viewers, I would say that if you want to take any consultation from Anjali, we are going to share the details in the link below. So please, everybody, everybody feel free to get in touch with her and know about yourself more. किसी को कहीं भी किसी field में कोई problem आ रही है तो Anjali is definitely there to help you. So thank you so much, Anjali. Thanks for joining me.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much.
And
Yes.
happy Diwali to you. Happy
Thank
Diwali.
you. Same.
Bye bye. Samya. Samya. अब आ जाओ, खत्म हो गया. हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग पॉज करिए. नहीं, चल रही है अभी.